recently just got a Insta360 X5, which I'm recording this video with, and I wanted something to strap it to a backpack sleeve. This is the Pellking sleeve mount. I'm not sure exactly what to call it. It's got nice rough material on here. So the idea is you wrap this around your backpack shoulder strap and you Velcro it down. And now you have a nice secure mount for your action camera, GoPro, Insta360. And this slides in, locks in place, very, very secure, not going anywhere. And you can just pull it out without taking your whole backpack off. Now, what I really like about this kit is it comes with this piece right here. And this piece right here is a very common insert into the action camera mount ecosystem, right? There's a lot of this kind of stuff out there, but the Insta360 doesn't come with a piece like this that fits into these. So I'm actually going to use this piece as kind of a universal plug for all of the other action camera style, three-prong mounts that exist in the world, motorcycle mounts and helmet mounts and dashboard mounts and all of that. But it's very nice construction, very sturdy, very solid. And I will be using it some hikes this coming week.